Hello, and welcome to our grab-and-go Valentine crafts with the Newport Beach Public Library. Let's see what supplies we'll be using today. A black pipe cleaner, a nice new pencil, a bag of shiny pieces of paper, a sheet of paper with a big heart on it, some cardstock, and a whole bunch of hearts. Let's start with the butterfly craft. For this, we'll need 2 pink hearts and the pipe cleaner and pencil. First, decorate your hearts. Draw with some crayons, markers, or whatever else you have on hand. Feel free to add more hearts or some completely different shapes. It's up to you. Once you're done decorating, overlap the tips of your hearts. Then carefully fold them so that the tops of the hearts come together. Next, make 2 little cuts at the bottom tip of the hearts. Now, open your hearts back up. Push the paper between the cuts up and then refold them. This will leave you with a space to slip your pencil through. Ta-da! Now just wrap your pipe cleaner around the pencil and shape it into some butterfly antenna. You did it! Have some fun helping your lovely butterfly flutter about. Alright, on to the collage. You'll need the piece of paper with the big heart on it. Since we will be decorating it with a bunch of pieces of paper, we're going to write, "I love you to pieces." Pretty good. Okay, start gluing your tiny pieces of paper to the big piece of paper and fill up the heart. Try to fit as many different colors as you can, both place and shiny, inside the outline. It might take a little while, but it will be worth it. See? It sparkles beautifully. And lastly, we will make the 3D Valentine card. For this, you'll need the cardstock and 6 colorful hearts. First, fold the paper in half. Now you've got your card. Let's decorate it. Glue your first heart to the card. This will work as a guide for all the other ones. Fold 4 of the other hearts in half. Next, cover the guide heart in glue. Stick 2 folded hearts to the guide heart. Then, while leaving them folded, cover those 2 hearts with glue. Stick on the 2 remaining folded hearts and cover them with glue just like you did the other 2 folded hearts. And finally, stick on the last heart. At this point, fold out the hearts so that they make a cool 3D heart shape. Nice! It's looking alright. Now all that's left to do is to write something in my card. What should I put? How about, "Happy Valentine's Day. I love you, Mom." From your son, Alex. You can make cards for as many friends and family members as you like. I bet anyone would be happy to get something from you that you made yourself. As always, thanks for joining us here at the Newport Beach Public Library. If you enjoyed this video, check out some of our other virtual programs and have a happy Valentine's Day. Bye!